Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm trying feed-in braids on my natural hair. Being that I'm spending more time at home these days, I decided to try out some new hairstyles. Now I have had feed-in braids in my hair before, but I never did them on myself and I never did it on my natural wet hair. My hair was always blow dried before I got these braids, so I just decided to try them out on my natural hair, doing it for myself for the first time and seeing how they turn out. This is in no way, shape, or form a tutorial because honestly these braids only looked cute from far away. From up close they looked a hot mess. I really wasn't completely sure what I was doing. I watched a few tutorials, but I kind of just went with what I saw. I picked up what I needed from the hair store and I was like, I'm just gonna try this. You're basically just adding the hair from underneath and like tucking it into your braid and just like adding it in small pieces at a time. So I'm not gonna say my hair came out terribly because like it wasn't horrible, but it definitely wasn't cute. Like I wouldn't want anybody to pay me to do this on them, basically. I think once you understand and get the hang of the technique, it definitely gets easier, but sometimes I struggle with just doing a basic braid in my hair, so I guess it all comes with practice. I got the braiding hair that I'm using from the hair store by my house and I didn't see it anywhere online, so I will try to find and link something down below that is similar to the braiding hair that I am using. So once I added enough hair, I just finished off the braid as normal, but I quickly realized that my braids were completely uneven. Another reason why this was low-key a failed hairstyle. And even though this isn't a tutorial, I will have all the products and stuff that I used linked down below for you guys in case anybody does feel inspired by this video and wants to try this hairstyle on themselves. I did not use hot water on the ends of my hair. I just put rubber bands at the end because I knew I wouldn't be keeping them in for very long, but typically you would seal the ends with the hot water so your braids don't unravel. So I just did my edges real quick and then I'm going over top of the braids with some styling foam, and then I'm gonna tie up my hair and let it sit and dry for maybe like an hour or so. The next time I do this, I think I'll definitely do it on blow dried hair. I just feel like it'll be easier to braid my hair and it won't take as long to dry, and I think the braiding hair in my hair will blend a lot more. So this is what my hair is looking like, and my uneven braids were really bothering me, so I went and took out my one braid and added some extra hair in and rebraided it, and they were still uneven, so at this point I just gave up. So yeah, like I said, from a distance this style was definitely cute. It wasn't a complete fail, but I wouldn't necessarily call it successful. I was able to take some cute pics, so definitely check out my Instagram for those. But as always, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.